Good morning, everyone. It's time to get our lives together, and we can do all of this in one day. Rather than focusing on the big things that we really don't have any control over, it's really helpful to focus on the small things and building small habits. I always like to start off in the morning by making my bed and making sure that my room is neat and tidy. Spending time with God really centers me and reminds me of who is really in control. A Paul David Tripp quote says, "None of us gets our dream in the way we dreamt it because none of us is writing our own story. God, in His love, writes a better story than we could ever write for ourselves. He has a better dream than the one we can conceive. He knows much better than we do what is best for us." So I just came back from Mammoth and had a very wonderful time spending time with church people and being in the mountains. Hello. Anytime I travel or go anywhere, I come back feeling a little disoriented because I'm out of my routine. I didn't end up skiing. I have tried skiing and snowboarding in the past, but both experiences were not the best. This time I just took it easy. I helped cook dinner with some of my friends, and it was a really chill weekend, but I'm definitely a homebody, and so when I finally came home, I thought of all the things that I have to do. But we're gonna reset, and this is all something that you can do in just one day. Having a to-do list is definitely a way to get your life together because you can organize all of your thoughts and then prioritize things that you need to do. Usually I write down the things that I know I need to do, as well as some things that I'm worried about that may not necessarily be due just yet. Then I'll prioritize my checklist with the things that I know I want to accomplish today. All dressed and ready for my workout. I like to wear my work jacket over my workout clothes. So then I just hop into my workout, hop out, shower, and then I'm already wearing part of my work outfit. I always come back from trips really tired and bloated, so I like to make sure that I'm taking probiotics, vitamins, and fiber. Of course, I also really love smoothies, and today we are doing an almond milk, strawberry, some spinach, and then some chocolate protein powder. It's definitely an adult thing to drink more than one thing at a time. Then I pour it into an insulated water bottle and then off to my workout. Just ran my 2 miles and also did some hip work. So the workouts that I go to is Barry's Boot Camp. Every single day they focus on a different body part, but I'm really trying to strengthen different parts of my body while running 2 miles in every class. I try to not go longer than 3 to 4 days between my runs, but today I ran 11.4 miles per hour. That is the fastest I have ever tried sprinting, and I was very proud of my body for doing that. And it's okay to be proud of ourselves for pushing ourselves mentally and physically. On top of having a YouTube channel where I really pour my heart into, I also pour my heart into being an elementary school teacher. Right when I get home, I take off my coat and I put it in the same exact spot in my closet. So after being away for the weekend and just eating, whatever I wanted and not getting enough sleep, my skin has started to break out a little bit. Our bodies will tell us what we need, and so my body's clearly letting me know that was not a great idea. So I'm just gonna take care of my face and make sure we reset and heal. Today's sponsor is Blue, a Canadian skincare brand that is cruelty-free and paraben-free. Glacial oceanic clay that is sourced from the northern shores of BC are at the core of Blue's products. I got a clay mask, toner, emulsion, and cream. After I travel, I like to reset by really taking care of my skin with proper steps. I first start off with Blue's clay mask. It has a smooth and fine texture that's unique to glacial oceanic clay. The glacial oceanic clay pulls out toxins and draws out impurities from the skin, and it contains over 60 unique minerals and rare elements. I put it on for 10 minutes and it helps detoxify for a much brighter complexion, and my face feels so clean already. Next, I use the toner by putting some on my hands and gently patting it onto my face. The toner is rich in skin-nourishing sea minerals and cools for calm and soothed skin. There's also glacial mineral water in the eye cream that makes it really soothing. I also have an emulsion that rehydrates for supple skin, and the cream also really cools it down. It promotes healthy skin cell renewal for a clean complexion, and Blue's Glacial Oceanic Clay Masks complement the Hydrate Toner and emulsion for a full routine. So try out Blue and use code MAYA15 for 15% off your entire purchase. Not only was it hair washing day and face washing day, just kidding, I wash my face every day, but it is laundry day. I gotta separate my colors and my whites.
장가갈 수 있을까? 장가갈 수 있을까? 올해도 가는데 장가갈 수 있을까?
Finally changed into my PJs, and I know a lot of people who take a reset day where they'll take work off and they get the whole day to kind of reorganize their life and get their life together. For me, as an elementary school teacher, I couldn't take the day off. I still taught, and then after work, I am here and making sure that my personal life is all in order. One of the ways I love to do that is to clean. I don't particularly love cleaning, but I am a proponent of cleaning as I go. I don't like to make a big mess and then clean everything up at once. I like to make sure that as I live my life, I'm putting things in order as I move. So I feel like my room is pretty clean to begin with, but now it's about disinfecting and physically cleaning. I usually hang dry any clothes that are delicate, and that's usually all of my workout clothes. So I didn't grocery shop yet, and rather than going outside, I'm actually going to deliver my groceries with one of my credit cards. I actually get free Instacart delivery, and I also find that I don't end up buying more than what I actually need because I am just buying exactly what I'm looking for and I'm not browsing the aisle. Sprouts. I'm just gonna order a few things. Another part of resetting is making sure I'm fueling my body with food that is nutritious and going to provide a lot of energy for me. So here we have chicken porridge that my mom made for me. So you essentially just boil chicken with some rice, and then I have a soy sauce egg that I cracked open, and then we have some kimchi for probiotics, dried squid, and then some green beans. I always crave Korean food when I'm back from a trip. That's my comfort food for sure. So today I was thinking a lot about what does resetting really mean to me. And I think resetting feels comfortable to me because it's really about me taking control again of my life. But right now in this season, I'm really learning that actually God is in control of my life, not me. But I love being in a routine. That's my comfort zone. And I love when things are in order. I saw this post on Instagram from someone, and they mentioned, you know, just because you wake up at 6 a.m. and you work out and you're the it girl or it person, if you're not taking care of yourself mentally and emotionally, then you're not really healthy. So it's making sure that we have a balance of both, that we do things, but we also self-reflect and just take care of our soul. That was a deep conversation while eating dinner. Good amount of water, feeling really good. If you wait to fold your laundry or to do your chores when you feel like it, I have found that in my life, I usually never feel like it. So it's always better to just do things right away so that you are done with it, it's over with, and now it's just a habit. So I guess I do feel like it because it's become a routine of mine. I had a couple people ask me about this office chair. It is called the Herman Miller Aeron chair model B, I believe. And they're very expensive chairs. They're like $2,000, which is crazy town. But I didn't get it on Facebook Marketplace. I got it on Craigslist. There was this grandpa. He lived about 40 minutes away from me, and he had 50 in his garage because there was an office that had closed down, and so he was storing all of them. So I ended up getting 2 of them from him, and it was great. I got my grocery deliveries. Thank you guys for joining me on my little reset routine and getting my life together, especially after just being out and about for a couple weekends now. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye!